Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare pea protein or soy protein, which is better. Read labels and match protein choice to your goals. I'll walk you through nutrition, digestibility, and environmental impact in plain language. We'll compare protein quality, common additives, and how each mixes into smoothies or recipes. Stay tuned for practical tips that make choosing easier, whether you want muscle support, a cleaner label, or a budget-friendly option. Let's talk nutrition versus profiles and what matters most for your goals. I'll explain amino acids, protein per scoop, and typical micronutrient differences in an easy pace. We'll cover how soy often provides a complete profile while pea may need pairing for balance, and when that pairing matters less, like in varied diets. By the end, you'll know which choice fits strength, weight, or general wellness plans. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, hit subscribe and like so we can keep making useful content. On another note, I love these leak-proof containers because they make portioning protein-packed meals simple and mess-free, especially when prepping shakes or lunches. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll explore how each protein behaves in real use versus just numbers on a label. I'll describe texture, taste, and best culinary applications so you can pick for smoothies, baking, or cooking. You'll learn quick mixing tips, flavor pairings, and when to choose isolates versus concentrates. This practical comparison helps you buy one that actually works in your recipes without surprise texture or taste problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.